start my video and it started raining. Hi guys, for today's video I am so excited to film this one. So you can tell that I'm not wearing any lipstick today. That's because today we are going to try the most amazing lip glosses ever. So lately I have been a lip gloss person, and I think you guys might have noticed it. I include lip glosses in so many of my tutorials and looks. I love the look of it. I think it looks really fresh, and lip glosses are in currently. So I got this whole set from Sephora. Just take a look. So I got this from Sephora US. This is definitely not available in India. None of these brands are available. Only Too Faced is on Nykaa. So how did I get it was I have been ordering stuff from US. So via this Instagram page called Foreign Makeup India. I'll leave all the links to that page down below, and I trust this page like 100%. So I have always like got stuff from them, be it Colourpop, be it Mauve, anything that is not available in India, I get it from them. Sometimes brands like Benefit, Huda Beauty, I get it from her too, even though it is available in India, because when she ships it from US, the price is sometimes cheaper than what we get here in this Indian market. So first of all, I want to say that it is 100% genuine. She put up this post saying that she is taking pre-orders from Sephora US, and I was like, that's my time. And I did not really plan on buying anything. I was just checking the website out, and I happened to find this set. So this is such a value for money, and I'll tell you exactly when I ordered and how this thing happened. So I took this screenshot. I'll mention it on the screen because you can't see it here. So I told her that, babe, how much will it cost? Because, okay, now let me just tell you the pricing thing when I'm telling you the story. So this costs $29 US. When you're ordering from any website that gets your product shipped, you know, please do not compare the price with what the immediate conversion will be, because obviously they are not doing charity, right? They will bring down the product, they will put their profit price, and then the shipping cost and everything gets included. So this total pack, if you buy everything individually, it will cost you $84, and the whole set is only for $29. Like, what? Now I'll tell you what I paid for this. I paid $3,400 for this one. This is actually a gift. I got this as a birthday gift. So this is a Sephora favorite collections. So these are all the products that you get in the package. So I'll definitely swatch every item from here. So now 2 of the products are full size and the rest of them are minis, but travels, like not like minis, they're like travel size, proper travel size products. It is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. It's in the shade Fussy, and this is a full size product. Then there is Lancome Juicy Tubes Original Lip Gloss in Magic Spell. So then there's the full-size NARS Afterglow Lip Balm in ORGASM, and I died when I saw this packaging. Like, what the hell is this? This is so pretty, and these are so expensive individually. That is why I am putting the posts up so that you can see how expensive these products are on their own. So this is PATRIK Major Lip Shine in She's Expensive, and then there is Too Faced Lip Injection in Extreme. So now let's just jump into the swatches. So I'm going to do 2 swatches of each product. Ones will be on my bare lip, second one will be on top of a lipstick. So for on top of a lipstick, I'm going to use the same lipsticks for every lip gloss. I'm going to use NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Sandstrom. I'm using this because normally when I put on glosses, either I'll obviously put it on bare lips, or else I'll use this combo all the time because it's like a neutral or a cool tone brown, and I use this Mauve lip pencil from PAC. So first I'm going to show you the swatches on my bare lips, and then we'll move on. And I'm going to only swatch this once, and when I swatch it, you will get to know why I'm swatching this once. So yeah, let's just get started. lip injection and then we'll move on to the lipstick and the lip glosses swatch. Let's start. It smells like, doesn't really, I don't like the smell. It smells like some fruit that I particularly don't like, I guess. So it's just a clear balm texture. This is not a gloss at all. I'm going to tell you everything that I feel. Oh, it started tingling. So it started tingling around here. Started tingling here. It's very mild right now. It's not like too much, but it is starting. I can feel, ooh. It feels like someone is poking like multiple needles, you know. We'll time it. It's 2:48 right now. Let's see how long it takes. Are you seeing that my lips are turning red from the edges and it's burning? It's not like anything unbearable. Ooh, but they're really starting to turn red.
Wow, it hurts. Oh my god. Oh, this is bad. Do not press your lips. It will hurt. Wow. The edges are burning.
I think they're looking plump. I cannot wait to try this product on few people. Ooh, I love their reaction. 2:55 and all the burning sensation and any sensation is gone basically. Can you guys tell any difference? Definitely the edges are a bit plump, sore basically. Yeah, I should try this product on various people to know if it works or not, because my lips are kind of full they are full already. So thank God I did not pay like full price of this product. Oh no, it did work. So after I took that balm off, now I can really see that it did work. Impressive. Okay, so let's just jump into the lipstick swatches. That was it for today. I did not swatch the Orgasm one on top of lipstick because it's a lip balm. It's not supposed to go on top of lipstick. My hair is a mess. So it is not supposed to go on top of a lipstick. I love that shade so much. And definitely I'll keep on using and swatching these more often on my videos and stuff. That is why I did not give you guys any particular review, because I haven't used this product for a longer time. But I can tell you that I love the shades. I love the way it sits on my lip. They're so comfortable and I can tell that they're long lasting by the formula. So yeah, that's it. I love few neutral ones. Like this one is a very neutral gloss. You can see, look at the color and it looks so beautiful. And obviously it will depend on what lipstick are you putting underneath. The color will change of this, but this is a nice and pigmented one. I love this one. And the PATRIK one, this does not particularly have any color. It has a lot of shimmer in it, but it's a very different kind of shimmer which I really like. So I'm not giving you guys arm swatches because I don't have my ring light and this light is not picking up the swatches that well on my arm because they're so light in the shade. Obviously these colors will look totally different on someone who is white or someone who is like brown and someone who is like from dark skin. Keep that in mind. So yeah, this set is completely worth it and I'm so glad that I got this one. I'll definitely leave all her links down below so you can go and check her page out. She's amazing. So yes, that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and see you next time.